Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So, do y'all remember in the last video I said that I'm going to make a shelf to keep all of the Shopkin items. So we are going to make a shelf to keep all of the Shopkin items. So let's begin. So today we are going to show you how to make a shelf for keeping the items that we got in Shopkins. So let's begin. Plus the bonus thing is that we will not be using anything extra except for the packaging that we got in the Shopkins. So let's begin. First of all, we will require the back of the packaging that we got. Next, for keeping the items, we are going to take this plastic and we are going to paste it. And we are going to give some modifications of our own. I have placed all of the items in place, and since we got the box here, I have not used the box, and since we also opened up another one, I placed it here and the two things that we got in the surprise packaging, and they fit well without falling. And the last packaging that we got, we are going to use that as a door that can open and close. So when it's closed, it will look like the packaging which has not been opened, but we can open it like a door, and it is a portable shelf for our dolls without requiring anything extra. And now all we need to do is glue the sides to keep it intact and in place. And we are then just going to tape the door so that it can open and close, and it can also totally come out if you want. We can also either wish to keep all of the things inside this. I think this was the easiest method to make a shelf, which requires less than 2 minutes and can be done very fast. So, I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel so that I make more videos. Bye and thanks for watching.